What is up, YouTube? It's Alex Cohen here. So today I had a meeting with Salcott, and he wanted to inform me to switch up my pens, because what he basically wanted to say was I'm not good enough. So let's start kicking things up. Alright, so today's topic will be about slopes. Alright, so what that means is we already learned about how to find the slope of a line. Let me just draw it out. Happy Salcott. Different color. Okay, 0, 0, 1, 0. For example, write that in. Sorry, I meant 1, 1, not 1, 0. Alright, so 0, 0, not good enough. 0, 0, and 1, 0. So if we were to make a straight line, we said that's positive, which means that you have a positive first number over a positive second number. But what if your slope looked like this? That means you would have a negative slope. So you would either have a negative on the top and a positive on the bottom, or a positive on the top and a negative on the bottom. Because in the previous video, remember me saying that negative over a negative, so a negative divided by a negative, cancels out to be a positive over a positive. It just cancels out that way when you divide. So here, let me just signify that you're dividing. So it's over, fraction bar. So, oops, flying pens. Alright, so positive slope. Positive. Sorry, I'll switch pens. Make it easier for you people to see. Okay, so positive. Negative. Negative. Pen. Oh, I need a new pen. Whatevs. Alright, that sounded weird. Alright, so negative. So this looks like a positive because it's going upwards towards the right, because remember we said this means over to the right, and right is positive, and up is positive. So, and this quadrant is positive. We'll go over the quadrants in subsequent videos. Sorry, not previous videos. So since this quadrant is positive and it's going up toward it's going up towards it, that means that it's a positive slope and a positive line. And this one's a negative slope with a negative line. And this one, if it were to be a straight vertical line, that means all the x's would repeat because it's on a single x. So for example, let's just say this is x equals 2, but the y's would be different. So for example, say that's 5 and this is 2. So if you wanted to find the slope, remember it's y1 minus y2 over x1 minus x2. So if x is 2 for all of them, so 2 minus 2 equals 0, over, let's say just 5 is the number 1 and 2 is the second one. So it'll be 5 minus 2 equals 3 over 0. And 3 over 0, that turns out to be undefined because 0 cannot go into 3. So that means that you have an undefined slope or no slope because it's too steep to measure. So what if you had something like this? A horizontal line, like exactly horizontal. So horizontal lines, they would be the same thing as the x1. Here, let me just draw the axis. Wait, let's just go right there. Alright, so, hold on, that's hard to see. Let me just redraw it for you guys. Pen. So this is a horizontal line, and horizontal lines, so what we did for the x right here, it would be, these would have the repeating. So this is the same y line. So say y equals 2, and x right here is 2, and x right here is negative 2. So you just do the same thing as you did right here. You subtract 2 minus 2 for your y's over 2 minus minus 2, which is 2 plus 2. So when you work that out, it becomes 0 over 4, and 0 over 4 equals 0. So that means you have a zero slope, also known as like a slope that doesn't change at all. So it doesn't increase at all or decrease, just stays constant. So that's why it's 0. So positive looks like this, negative looks like this, no slope or no slope or undefined slope would look like this, and a horizontal slope, also known as zero slope, will look something like that. So today we have learned about the different types of slopes, and this has been a Calabasas online tutoring production by Alex Cohen. Peace.